Well, we have decided to use rs2 after I would say, pretty exhaustive bidding process. About 45 bidders, which we down selected in 3 rounds with individual teams from the various departments, came up with a long distance to the next rs2 as an ERP solution, which actually did meet all the expectations we had, which is on one side managing the complexity, if I may say, of our business, which is managing not only pieces but meters, as an example. But I would even say it also forced us into that level of standardization which was possible, which wasn't previously possible in SAP, which we had before. I think it would be too easy to look where we are today, judging the introduction process has been one of the key elements. I mean, in a running process, it's almost like an open heart surgery when we change the ERP system without stopping the company for 6 months, not even for 6 hours. So I would say the first step is you have somebody in front of you who doesn't only operate a system that works. I think everybody would probably claim this more or less, but having a team of partners that can accompany you in the transition process, especially in those critical moments, so they are well prepared when you really do the switch over, because you don't have a second chance, basically. You cannot go back to the old system and say, oh, let's try it next week again. So I would say when we look at success stories, that is the first one. The next one is now all the ideas around circularity I'm having, where I don't really have now an individual understanding of what we will need in the next years, but what's coming up in especially our industry, which is the textile industry. The European Commission requires a reporting level and a circular commitment that actually requires a database that can connect to different other players than ours. So we more look at now the interfaces outside, plus the whole idea of having at some point in the tangible future a system where I can ask my dumb questions without bothering controlling to program any reporting on it, so I can just drop it and have an AI answering me with more or less intelligent answers. I think that's extremely attractive, and that's a kind of efficiency payoff, which is around the system. It's not the system itself, it's more that everybody who works with it gets more efficient by getting the right answers and fast.